How to plant chamomile flowers from seeds for ornamental plants for beginners. Chamomile or Chamomile Germany is a seasonal plant of the sunflower Asteraceae family. This chamomile flower grows throughout Europe and Asia that has 4 seasons, but has now spread widely in North America and Australia. Chamomile plants can grow to a height of 15 to 60 centimeters. The long and small leaves are in groups of 2 or 3 leaves in a stalk. Scientific classification: chamomile flower. Kingdom: Platy. Division: Magoliophyta. Class: Magoliosida. Order: Asterales. Family: Asteraceae. Genus: Matricaria. Species: Matricaria recutita. Chamomile has many benefits. The benefits of chamomile flowers are to cure stomach pain, colitis, and as a sleeping or tranquilizers. Chamomile flowers can also be used as herbal tea. In addition, chamomile can be used as an oral cleanser to cure mucositis or disease in mucous membranes. The active substance in chamomile oil extract is called bisabolol. There are other active ingredients such as chamajule, flavonoids and coumarin. Chamomile is also known as a plant doctor because it can help the growth of nearby plants. Here's how to plant chamomile flowers from seeds for ornamental plants for beginners. 1. Preparation of chamomile seeds. If you want to plant chamomile flowers, you can plant by seed. The seeds of chamomile flowers can be purchased at the farm shop. There are 2 types of chamomile flower seeds, namely Roman chamomile and German chamomile. 2. Preparation for flowering chamomile. Chamomile flower plants can grow well in cold and sheltered from the sun. The soil used to plant chamomile flowers should not be too dry, at least have a degree of acidity or phase of about 5.6 to 7.5 and not too much fertilizer, because if the excess fertilizer can cause leaves and flowers chamomile weak. Planting chamomile flowers from the seeds is easy to grip. Chamomile seeds dispersed to the soil will germinate after 4 to 14 days. 3. How to plant chamomile flowers. First, select the seeds to be planted. Choose seeds of good quality and healthy. After that, prepare containers of seeds and fill with the media, planting in the form of soil or compost and solid but not too much half-container seedling alone. Then add 2 to 3 seeds of chamomile to each container and then cover it again with the previous planting medium. Then, cover the seeding container with clear plastic, then place it in a place that has medium light. 4. How to take care of chamomile flower. Do check chamomile growth every day. If the seedling medium has started to dry, then lacquer watering by Deciprot using a sprayer to moisturize. When the seed germinates, remove the plastic and move the seeding container to the window to get enough sunlight, or it can be placed under the fluorescent light for 14 hours per day. After the seeds grow about 2 inches or half a centimeter, move the seeds into 1 seed in each cup of seedlings. The transfer is done with a careful heart so as not to damage the roots. After the seed has some leaves, then prepare the planting medium, then make a planting hole with a distance of about 15 centimeters between plants. Put the seeds into the planting hole and then back again with the surrounding planting medium. Do watering sufficiently. If the plants are large and grow flowers, then chamomile can be plucked by cutting branches by using scissors. Thus we are discussing about how to plant chamomile flowers from seeds for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.